Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and a clear purpose. Once confirmed, open Task Scheduler now. You start or run and launch tasks. MSC so you're in the right console. Make sure you pick the account that will run the task. This affects permissions. Next, choose the initial trigger type, at logon for user tasks, daily for regular jobs, or on an event for system-driven automation. Doing these first reduces confusion later and sets the correct security context for actions to follow. Now create the task and configure its core behavior. Select Create Task for full control, give it a descriptive name, and explain why it exists so others understand it. Then define triggers with schedules or event filters. Once done, set conditions, power, network, and idle options to prevent unwanted runs. Add an action such as start a program, supply the executable path and any arguments. Finally, tune settings to allow missed runs, set retry behavior, and prevent runaway processes by stopping long jobs. Finish by saving with the correct user credentials or choose the system account when appropriate, and then test the task immediately using Run. Observe the last run time and last run result. Make sure task history is enabled to see detailed events. If it fails, check return codes and the event viewer. Common issues include wrong file paths, missing permissions, or network-dependent conditions. If needed, change the account or add explicit file permissions. Then retest until the task consistently completes as expected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.